Tired of squinting at Wise's dark mode? Switch to light appearance in seconds with this simple guide. I'll show you exactly where to click in your Wise account settings to toggle the light theme. So here's the thing. A lot of people get stuck because the setting isn't as obvious as you'd think. It's not right there on the main dashboard. It's tucked away inside your personal account area. But once you know where to look, it really is just a few clicks. And I've gone through this myself, so I can walk you right to it. Start by clicking your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of your Wise dashboard. That little circle or the initial of your name. Give that a click. This opens up your main account menu, where all the personal settings live. From here, you can manage everything about your account. Now, once that menu drops down, you're going to look for the option that says Language and Appearance. It's usually about halfway down the list. Click on that. This is the central hub for anything visual about your Wise experience. And just a heads up, this is the same spot where you change your language preferences too. But for us right now, we're here for the appearance. So now that you're on the Language and Appearance page, you'll see a few different sections. And here's the really important part. You don't want to adjust your language settings by accident. We're looking specifically for the appearance option. It might be a button or a small card you can click into. Just navigate your cursor over to that and click it. All right, you're almost there. This is the final step. On this page, you'll see a few different theme choices. There might be something for System Default, something for Dark, and the one we want. Click on Light. As soon as you click it, the change is almost instant. You'll see the interface switch over from those dark grays to a clean, bright white background. And that's it. Just like that, your Wise is now in light mode. So from struggling to find that hidden setting to enjoying a crisp, clean interface in under a minute, you've got it. Now you can manage your money in the style that's easiest on your eyes. If this helped you out, consider dropping a like on the video. It really helps other folks who are stuck with the same problem find the answer. Thanks for watching.